Sweeping the floor, guys. Yeah, few dead leaves here on the floor from the jackfruit. Because we have growing jackfruit here, guys. Now I'm going to fetch water. Wow. Many water. Yeah, my hibiscus grow, guys. Need to water them so it will grow here. Wow, nice water. They are live, guys. My hibiscus. We have all kind of fresh water here. Clean. I wish we have like this in Burgos. Oh, that would be nice. That would be nice, really. This is a nice plant. Let's move here. Nice plant. The malunggay that I planted did not survive. This is dead. Maybe I'll just try to water it. area here is so big. This is 320 square meters. It's not small area. Not really small. Let's move here. Back to my store again. Wow. Nice. This is chlorine. This is pepper. Ay, narang pepper dahil. Pepper too. Then garlic. Yeah. More. That's chlorine. So this is my simple store, guys. I wish I can stay here maybe once a week only. One day, once a week. I would try to talk to Philip about that. Maybe every Tuesday. I don't know. But I'm going to talk to Philip about that, and then I'll just slip it here. So I can take good care. I can take good care of the surroundings here. Pulling some weeds, planting some flowers if needed. So this is our jackfruit here. Oh, my Vanda. Wow. Nice. He almost died before. This is not yet still a young jackfruit. No fruit yet. So soon we have fruit here. But our coconut here is productive, really. So many fruits of our coconut, especially there and here too. Let's walk here. There is coconut here, guys. We have 2 coconut here. Wow. Many fruits. But I don't know how to climb. See my store. So this is a gate, guys. But we never open this one. There's another one here. 2 gate. So that's all metal here. Both side. Nice, because we were planning before to build a shop, a welding shop, but my sister Lynn built here a house. This is her house here, but we help her building the house because she can't build the house like this without our help. So yeah, That's our plan really before to build a shop here. Repair shop. We already have the the torch like that. What's the lacking is the we have already air compressor. A big tank, that's the lacking. So it is failed because my sister Lian built the house here. He live here. This house. There is a window here too. So nice breeze here, guys. Very nice. Because this area, this is the only place a higher ground. We're a higher ground here. The rest is labeled to the road. This one is a little bit higher. So screen here. And my plan really is to sold here a rice and animals food. That's really nice too. So hi guys, I am just relaxing here, you know. I finished watering the plants that I planted. Some are dead really because you know nobody watering here, me only. So I just you won't survive really because I just come here every weekend. My plan really is I wanna talk to Philip. I will stay here once a week, every week, once a day only, so I can clean the area here. Maybe that's a good idea. Clean the area and plant some more plants to add beauty to the area. And now it's so hot really here, guys. Very hot. So the nice thing here is we have water. Even if it's in the drought, we have water because we have a storage tank here. So I guess I would like to say bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks guys for your comments. Thanks for your subscribing. Thanks for subscribing my channel. Bye.